Hello kids, it's Abby. Today we will learn the number 4.
Hello.
Let's start coloring. First I'm gonna color the sun yellow. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Then I'm gonna use a green color. And red. I use a turquoise color for the clouds. I color the background blue. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this coloring video. See you later!